What's going on, guys? This is Cooper's Violet. Today is October 16th, 2019. So I've heard a lot of you guys talk about these UN vehicles, and I'm currently looking into it. So just give me some time. I do have some intel to let you guys know, but it won't be this video. I did see something strange today. I'm in Syracuse, New York right now, and this morning I was standing in a parking lot and a military unmanned drone came flying by. And I've been in a lot of military towns and I've never seen that before. So for those of you in the military, if you have any insight on that, I'd like to know. The previous military guys that were near me when this drone flew over, one of them had 24 years of experience, and he said that was rare. He said that you would see military drones in Arizona where they are trained to fly them, but having one fly over a civilian area was rare. So if y'all could let me know about that, that'd be appreciated. Haven't got to do so many videos. I'm a busy man these days, so I do apologize about that. I'll try to get some more videos out. But if you want to hear about anything else, let me know in the section below. Leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Besides that, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.